Sarah Jane.
I'm Rachel Marie.
And welcome to this month's interior design feature. Today we're going to be talking you through on how to select elevation colours for your own home.
The first step in doing this is to identify the style or look of your home. If you have an existing home, this should be relatively simple. However, if you are building a new home and only have plans to work from, it can be a great idea to get a simple 3D illustration done of your home. This will help you to understand what the finished look of your home will be, and is easily accessible through your builder. Once you have this, look for certain elements that may link your home to a certain design style or look. Once you've worked out the look that you're going for, take a look at your home and see what structural features you have. If you're in an existing home, you probably have quite a few of these: a nice deep veranda, decorative finials, or an interesting front door. Chances are if you're building a new home, your elevation may be a little more simple, but don't worry, it's quite easy to create interesting structural features. These can be done through painted render, tiled features, timber cladding, or even stonework. At this point, it's really crucial to look at what your budget allows. If you have a little bit of extra money, the front elevation is definitely somewhere worth spending this budget.
Here we are today, standing outside the front of the Goulburn display. The theme we were given for this home was Modern Australiana. What was really important to us was to ensure that this theme was continued through both internally and externally.
Our starting point for this home was the tiled feature to the vaulted ceiling of this elevation. Although this feature was located by the architect, we were able to choose from a wide range of tiles that were available to us. In this instance, we went for a matte finished, mid-toned earthy tile. It gives a really nice range of colour that we're able to pick from for our front elevation.
From this palette, we selected a light earthy colour for the main render. This then gave us the basis to add depth and impact through the roof selection.
Something that's often overlooked when selecting the elevation colours of your home is the garage door. Clients will often come to us feeling that the impact of this was much more than they imagined. This is by no means meant to be an impacting feature of your home. Two rules we go by are either blend the garage door into your render colour, or use it to create a sense of balance on your home's elevation. That's what we've done in this case. The high vaulted ceiling to one side of the home is quite strong, and so the other side of the home needed to reflect a certain amount of strength. What we've done is tied the garage door through to the roof colour, front door and window frames, and it just finishes the overall look of this home.
One other simple thing to understand when choosing your elevation colours is the difference between a gutter and a fascia.
Quite a lot of people don't know where the gutter stops and the fascia begins. This is a great example of where we can show this to you. Where the roof hits the render line, the top section of this is the gutter, and the solid piece below, that's the fascia. On this home, we've decided to use the same colour for the gutter and fascia, as we didn't feel the need to create any further detail. On a more simple elevation, dividing the fascia and gutter into different colours and having a two-toned effect will help you add a sense of detail and depth. When selecting paint colours for an existing home, it can be really handy to buy some paint samples from your local paint store, paint them out on big pieces of card or cut up cardboard boxes and hold them up to your home. Make sure you check these colours in different types of light, checking in the morning, the midday and in the evening. That way you'll get a really good feel for what your home is going to look like before it's painted.
For more ideas and inspiration, check out our Pinterest board and we'll see you next month.